This morning we got sausage to frying. We got tomatoes over here boiling. Our garden tomatoes. We got tomatoes, grape tomatoes, and pear tomatoes, and vine ripened tomatoes, all in one pack that we grew last year. And we got a zucchini. We're going to do it. And then we're going to fry it this morning. We got biscuits in the oven at 450 that was frozen. Sausage takes 10 to 12 minutes to cook. This is only going to boil for a few minutes. Then I'm going to take them out, smash them up, and put them on top of my sausage. Got our pan heating up for our zucchini. Zucchini takes on a flavor of whatever you cook it with. So it is a good vegetable to do anything with. You can put it in any meal and don't even taste it. All you're going to taste is what's the star of the show. Like if you put it in with cabbage, all you're going to taste is the cabbage, not the zucchini. And I do that a lot. I put mushrooms, cabbage, zucchini, onions, tomatoes, and hamburger and fry it all together. It is good. And you can put onions, garlic salt, onion salt, and onion powder and garlic powder. That's how I make my cabbage sometimes. Okay, I'm going to turn this sausage down on low now, since it's almost done. The tomatoes are boiling. I put minced onion, black pepper, onion powder, and minced onions, all in here. And 1 teaspoon of tomato bouillon in here. Okay, we're ready to put our zucchini in there and start frying it. We're going to fry some bologna. When the biscuits gets done, now, like I said, these tomatoes are going on my sausage. Okay, let's get our zucchini and our thing back here. It should be hot. Oh, I didn't even turn it on. Well, it ain't going to get hot like that. I'll have to wait a minute now. Be back with you when we get it started. Okay, it's time to get the sausage out. Our biscuits are still in the oven. They was frozen. Tomatoes that we grew last year. I put 1 teaspoon of tomato bouillon, onion powder, minced onions, pepper, water, a cup of water, and salt. That's all I put in them. Gonna check on the biscuits. Woo! Okay, we're gonna stir these up. Tomatoes. Stir the tomatoes up. Okay, we're going to start smashing them now. I love cooked tomatoes on sausage. Okay, we're going to turn our zucchini. Okay, now we're going to put more salt and more pepper on this side. The sausage is done. Took us 12 minutes. We're going to cook some fried bologna and probably some eggs too. This is what the tomatoes look like since we smashed them. What the zucchini looks like. We're frying them. Okay, we're going to put a piece of bologna in here and let it fry. Okay, we're going to turn our bologna over. Got 2 farm fresh eggs, brown ones, ready to fry or scramble, either one. Okay, in this plate we're going to put bologna, piece of sausage, and throw our eggs in here. Okay, we're going to put pepper. Salt. Scramble these eggs. Okay, they're done. Here's our biscuits. They're done. They're good and brown. Here's Ronnie's breakfast: eggs, sausage, bologna, and biscuits. Okay, my breakfast is going to be sausage, with tomato over top. That's some zucchini. That's what mine looks like right here. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Mmm, that's good. Oh my God, that is good. Thanks for watching. Bye.